You gotta be scared, huh?
On May 31st, 2022, in Oakland Park, Florida,
You have your license and registration, please?
I don't have a license.
Spell your first name.
a Broward sheriff's deputy was patrolling near a Walgreens store in response to multiple recent theft reports. The store manager approached the officer, reporting that the women had stolen a significant amount of merchandise.
You got any weapons in the car you know about?
No.
Stop.
The vehicle initially got away, but shortly afterward, the deputy located it and initiated a traffic stop.
How y'all doing?
All right.
Y'all all right?
Yes.
Do me a favor, turn off that car for me. Take the key out. Let me get that. All right. Let me have your license and registration, please.
I don't have a license.
Oh, wow. Hello, Pastor, you got your license on you? You do? You don't? Okay. I'm talking to you. What's your name?
My name is Tara Williams. T-A-R-A.
That's your
Tara
original?
Williams. Yes.
That's your government name, Tara?
Yes.
What's your middle name?
I don't have a middle name.
You don't have a middle name. All right. What's your date of birth?
01/25/1986.
86?
Yes.
Ma'am, you? Where y'all coming from?
We just came from the store.
Which store?
From the corner store.
What
The
corner
drive-through
store?
The
The drive-through store.
Huh? The drive-through store right down here.
Which
Right
drive?
by the gas station right there. I don't know the name of it. I just stopped and got a black and out.
Okay. Looks like y'all came from Walmart. I mean, Walgreens.
No.
Yeah, I see a lot of stuff from Walgreens. That don't look like no corner store.
Yeah, we went to the.
Okay, stay right here.
Walmart. We went to
Come on, step out. Straight?
That's my husband.
Alright. Go ahead and take off. You good?
That's my husband.
Okay. Take off, bro. Step in my car. Spell your first name.
It's M.
So now it's M.
Yes, I was on.
Oh, so you lying to me. Stop. Off rip, you already lying. You go to jail just for lying to me. And you gotta be scared, huh? I ain't even do nothing. I ain't do nothing.
I know.
Give me your first name. Listen, give me your first name.
M-A-K-I-T-A Williams.
Now, what's your date of birth?
01/25/86.
Okay. What's your middle name now?
C.
C.
Yes.
Okay. You ever been to jail before?
Yes.
For what?
For driving.
For driving?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't have a license.
Your license suspended.
Yes.
All right. Relax. Chill out.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to.
So, it's Makita Williams.
Yes.
You gonna lie to me again?
No, I'm
So if
not.
I'm asking you a series of questions, are you gonna lie to me? Or are you gonna tell me the truth?
I'll tell you the truth.
You sure?
Yes.
Cool. I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? Chill out. Chill.
Yeah, go ahead.
Chill out. I'm reading you your rights. I do this for everybody.
Okay.
You got any weapons in the car you know about?
No weapons.
Alright. You have to write the remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say to me is used against me in the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney before talking to me, and to have an attorney here during your questioning, now or in the future. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Knowing and understanding your rights, are you willing to speak to an attorney in present?
I can speak to you.
So you're willing to speak with me, no problem, right? Okay. Have I been rude to you at all? No. Okay. Have I tricked you from speaking to me at all?
No.
No. All right. So, Miss Keita Williams, where were you guys coming from? Huh? Where were you guys coming from?
I was coming from the store.
What store?
From the Walgreens.
Walgreens. Okay. Did you guys buy those items in Walgreens? Any items at all in Walgreens?
No, I didn't buy anything from my Walgreens.
You didn't buy anything? Okay. But did you come out the store with items from Walgreens?
No, not from that Walgreens.
Not from this Walgreens?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did you come out to any other Walgreens? What Walgreens did you come out with us? We get that stuff from Walgreens.
I got this stuff from Walmart.
Walmart?
Yeah, I went to Walmart.
You went to what Walmart?
I went to the Walgreens.
What
But I
Walmart?
didn't get anything out of there.
What Walmart?
Walmart.
So you went to Walmart on Broward. And you grabbed things from there?
Yes.
When I say grab, did you purchase things or you just took them without paying? You took them. Okay. What are we going to do with these things?
I got them for personal use. Hygiene and stuff like that.
Alright. Cool. Put you in the back seat of my car. I'm going to talk to your friends. You got any weapons on you I should know about? Alright. I'm just put you in the back seat, alright? Relax. I'm going to dig in. You got no pockets?
I got that.
Okay, I'm going to use the back of my hand to wipe your pockets, alright?
Officer, can they just give me like a ticket or something and get this stuff back to you?
We'll see. We'll see. What's up, man?
I'm not brother. This is my father-in-law car, and if y'all on tour, and I can have somebody. I just would have appreciated it more if he would have been able to talk to me. Like, I ain't in the way to,
yeah, but he can't
here to get in the way or nothing like that.
You gotta
job
understand. You gotta understand. You just say, hey, that's my wife. He's conducting an investigation, so we don't know how you're gonna get, right? We don't know you, just like you don't know us at the end of the day, right? So what we're trying to do is listen. We once we secure everything and everything is cool, then we come speak to you, right? Like you notice. He put it in the back of the car.
Yeah, like,
notice right now he's talking to her, so I came to you. You know, we chopping it up right now.
Yeah, but like we both know it ain't nothing major. It ain't nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, listen. At the end, that's what we need to figure out. We don't know that for sure, and I'm assuming you don't know either because you weren't with
I
her.
don't. But
Right,
she
okay.
just picked me up from work and dropped me off home. I do roofing. You know what I'm saying? He got pulled down.
Now, let's
ran
figure it
on
out
me.
then, all right? All right, let's figure it out. Like I said, man, you want to hang out, whatever, just like I said, don't get in our way. I'll come talk to you when I'm done. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris what?
Wallace.
All right, I'm Vic. We'll talk when we're done, all right?
Ms. Wallace, what's happening? You good? No. You not good? This is your cousin? Who she's to you? That's your friend? Where you guys stay? Where y'all coming from? Oh, first, before you even ask me all this, you want to speak to me? Okay. You ever been to jail before? When last time you was in jail? Say what?
This was on the floor already here when I got in.
That's her bag?
Well, we took out the Walgreens.
Okay. But where this black bag came from?
It was already on the floor.
I said, where did it come
I
from?
don't know.
That's her bag.
I don't know. It was already on the floor.
It was already in the floor. Okay. Did you take anything, put anything in your purse?
My purse is right here.
Okay. Alright. Cool. Alright, do me a favor. You gonna sit in the back seat with her. Just get it. You can put your purse down. Your phone down too. You get the last swig of your drink if you want.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I gotta go to jail.
No, I'm just gonna put y'all in the back seat. I don't want y'all hanging out in this car right now. Alright? That's all. A reporter? A what? Yeah. I forgot about that. Yeah. Obviously.
That's all that matters right now, right?
Yeah.
One of those things, unfortunately, I get where you coming from, but because everything right now is so, we're trying to figure out, that's why I won't let you go over
We
there.
got an everyday schedule, pick the kids up and everything like that, so things gonna get changed. You know what I'm saying? So like,
Yeah, but you gotta understand, so at the end of the day, if things change, it's not because we changed them.
no, it ain't because
You know what I mean?
Because a change should be made.
Right. So at the end of the day,
only thing I can do is tell
Excuse me,
y'all
sir.
what I'm going
Tell
through.
what's wrong with my
to
niece.
his household, and hoping y'all.
Yeah, I'll take the car.
I hear you saying.
Okay, could you tell me what's wrong with my niece? That's okay.
That's the only thing I can do. A whole for.
Come on out. You can hang out in his car. Hang tight. Alright. I'll be trying to be quick as possible, bro.
Makita Williams was initially charged with a felony count of retail theft at multiple locations within a 48-hour period. That charge was later reduced to a misdemeanor count of petite theft. She was sentenced to 6 months of county probation and ordered to pay $293 in court costs and fines. Teldra Wallace faced similar charges: retail theft at multiple locations within 48 hours, along with an additional charge of felony petite theft. After one of her charges was dropped, she was sentenced to 12 months of state probation and ordered to pay $517 in court costs and fines, plus over $1,050 in restitution to Walgreens. Less than a year later, Teldra was arrested again for retail grand theft, another felony offense, which resulted in her probation being revoked. She was subsequently sentenced to 90 days in county jail, with credit for 37 days already served.